Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Dark Berry 32. Let's take two on that. Hello, my berries. It's me, Dark Berry 32, coming to you with my outfits of the day. I want to say hello to all my new subscribers. I would like to say hello if this is your first time visiting. Hello again, my name is DarkBerry32. My name is Karen. And I want to welcome you to my channel. Welcome you to the DarkBerry32 family, y'all. So over here, I guess you clicked on the video because you saw outfit of the days, and I do that pretty much every week. Depends on if I'm working, most of the week. So I kind of come on and show you guys like professional outfits, casual professional outfits, and maybe even sometimes my weekend outfits, or if I go to parties or something like that, I'll show you exactly what I'm wearing. So on this channel, you're gonna get a little bit of everything. You're gonna get some thrifting, some shopping, DIY, decor, cooking, cleaning, thrifting, hauling, all the things, and even sometimes a little bit of vlogging on this channel too. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive right in to my outfit of the day. It is Monday. I've gone to work and I am home. Thank you, Jesus, for it all, because today it was the day. So I just want to. All right, take two. So as I was saying, I am wearing a pair of black boots that I got from a store here in Houston called K&G. They may be all over. There are quite a few here in Houston. And then I have on this Talbot dress that I got from the thrift store, and also this jacket from the thrift store. Let me see what brand this jacket is, because it has held up tried and true, honey. It's Ann Taylor, and it's a really good solid black, blazer type of jacket that you can wear with just about anything. A pair of jeans, like you see me donning it here with dress. You can make it a suit with pants, skirt, anything. I think it's a really good jacket. Like, I think it's classic. Like, it will never kind of run out of style, no matter when you wear it. I think it's just a nice classic. It has two nice buttons here up front, and then I like to cuff the sleeves to give it more of a cool vibe, and so yeah, that is it. It's a very simple outfit, but then to me, I feel like it made a really good impact, with the jacket and the dress. Sometimes you see people wearing that and it's really put together, and I think it was a really good outfit for Monday. So my makeup is just, I try to also do a classic natural look every day for my makeup. I used to paint it on. I'm not even gonna lie. I used to paint on, baby, the colors and doing all the things, and now I just kind of stick to a classic, like light beige, brown type of look, that type of thing. And my hands, look at how dry my hands look. Good Lord. And then, just a basic brow, liner, lashes, that type of thing. And then I still have my hair up in a bun. And so, yeah. And then as far as my jewelry is concerned, I have on these little earrings here. It came in a set with like the round earrings that go up here if I wanted to wear those. But they came from Marshalls and I really like them. Again, a nice classic loop. I don't think you can go wrong with little faux diamond things in there. And then I have on this necklace here. I got this necklace from Zales a long time ago. And it was one of those things that I walked into the mall and I was like, I want to treat myself. And I went straight to the jewelry store and I'm like, I want this, give it to me. I wanted something really nice that I know that would last. And so, yeah, that's what I have on today. And then I have on my jewelry and my ashy fingers, honey. That show you that I washed my hands before I left work. And I just have on my blessed ring from James Avery. All these are from James Avery here. All of these. It would be nice if I had some lotion on my hands. But anyway, I do not, so it happens, you know what I mean? It happens. So yes, that is it, guys. That is my outfit of the day. I thanking you for coming to watch my videos. I am very sleepy. And I have to right now get on and upload a video for you guys so that it's ready for tomorrow. But yeah, that is all the things. So if this is an outfit you like, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Comment below, let me know what you think of the outfit. Tell me if you think it's a nice classy look. Is it a good look for a Monday? I absolutely love it. It won't be the last time that I do something like this. I'm actually thinking about other jackets in my closets and what I can dress or something that I can wear with it. So y'all just stay tuned to see what I am wearing tomorrow. All right? Bye.